Supine hip flexion and abduction is going to strengthen your hip flexors and your adductors, your inner thighs here. So even though the leg is going out to the side into abduction, you're gonna be working on the inner thighs quite a bit. Start off, back nice and flat, keeping your pelvis tucked under, those ribs pulled down, hands out to the side for stability. Keeping the opposite leg nice and tight. You're gonna bring that knee into hip flexion, then you're going to straighten it and bring it out to the side. You can bring it back to center and then repeat, or you can bring it back into flexion, back to center. So you're alternating back and forth. Another variation of this, you bring it into flexion, drop it out to the side. So you're getting a lot of extra hip work there. Not everyone's gonna be able to achieve this mobility. That is fine. Last variation, you can make it a little bit more athletic circular. Going both directions here. This is a beast of a hip workout. Encourage you to do it.